Hello everyone, we are from Class 3B English Education Department, the group of 13. We will present a material about peer editing and self-editing worksheets, scoring rubrics. So here are the members of group 13. The first one is Muhammad Taufik Sultan, the second one is Nurul Fauzia Noviawati, the third one is Paula Dinar Permata, and the last one is Fanny Octavia. First, it's here the table of contents. First, peer editing, second, self-editing, and the third, scoring rubrics.
Peer editing. Peer editing is an interactive process of reading and commenting on a classmate's writing. You will exchange rough drafts with classmates, read it, other work, and make suggestions for improvement. Use the worksheet for each assignment and answer each question. Put your comment on the worksheet on your classmate paper as your instructor directs. And advice for peers editors is once your job is to help your classmate with clearly focus only on content and organization. If you notice grammar or spelling error, ignore them. It is not your job to correct your classmate English. And don't cross out anything writing. Underline and draw around circle things, but don't cross out anything. And 4. Make your first comment one positive one. Find something good to say. 5. Is if possible, use the colored pencil or ink. And the last, the writer may not always agree with you. Discuss your different opinion, but don't argue. And don't hurt your classmate feelings.
Self-editing. Becoming a better writer requires that you learn to edit your own work. Self-editing involves not just checking for spelling and grammar errors. It also means looking at your writing as a writing teacher does. The self-editing worksheets contain questions about specific elements that your teacher hopes to find in your paragraph or essay. A strong thesis statement, clear topic sentences, specific supporting details, coherence, and effective conclusion, and so on. By answering the worksheet question thoughtfully, you can learn to recognize the strengths and weaknesses in your rhetorical skills, as well as to spot recurring errors in grammar, punctuation, and sentence structure.
Here are some ways to suggest change. The first one we can say like, do you think it is important, relevant? And the second one like, I don't quite understand your meaning here. And the third we can say like, could you please explain this point a little more? And the fourth we can say like, I think an example would help here. And then this part seems confusing. And then we can say like, I think this part should go at the end or at the beginning. And the last we can say maybe you don't need this word, or maybe you don't need this sentence or part.
Scoring rubrics. When grading papers, writing teachers sometimes assign points for each writing skill. They often use a rubric such as the ones on the page 196 and 197. The first rubric is for scoring paragraphs. The second one is for scoring essays. In each rubric, the left column shows the maximum number of points possible for each item. Teacher may duplicate these forms to use when scoring students' work. So everyone, these are the forms of scoring rubrics. So that's all from us. Thank you very much and goodbye.